Hi guys, welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to see elevation on Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your desktop or mobile phone. Search for the location you want to check, for example, the Himalayas. After searching, zoom in and look for the Layers option on the map. Select the Terrain option from the Layers menu. You can toggle Terrain on and off to view elevation details. Zoom in to see elevation lines and height details on Google Maps. Avoid zooming in too much as it may not display elevations clearly. This is how you can view elevation on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.